Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Just yesterday, I made a video on this, and I thought about making an easier one that's really almost as cool. It's got circles, it's got the petals, and it's also got this shape inside of it, and which is the shape I've shown how to make. But this is just like this, except for we're going to do it a little differently and use math 100% of the time. So I made a duplicate of that. And I always use the Smart Fill tool to fill that in. Now, in this one, over yesterday, we could have it a little thicker because we're going to rotate it. And I'm going to make just 3 inches big. That's going to come into play in a minute. I'm going to Control D, and then I'm going to double click on the